Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. I hope you're having a fantastic day. Today we have my Ipsy Glam Bag Original, so let's get in it and see what I picked. As with all Ipsy products now, we get choices. With the original Glam Bag, it is $12. It is 5 products. They say they will be deluxe samples, but you may get full-size products. I almost always get a full-size product, and you get to pick. They will send you options. They will pick 4 of the products you will receive, and you can pick the other one from the choices they give you. I always find this bag to be a really great deal, so I'm just going to cut right into it, and we're going to see what we've got. Sliding my bag out, all I have is a bag, so everything must have fit in here this month, which probably means no brushes. That doesn't sound like me. That is what the bag looks like, and it has the little Ipsy tag. And the pull tab looks kind of like lips, but maybe they meant it to look like a leaf, but I think it looks like lips. And it's canvasy this time. So often they feel plastic, but this feels canvasy. And inside it says Force of Nature, and it is lined. That is what it looks like. Okay, let's take out my paperwork first. That is what we have, and it says April 2021, Force of Nature. And on the inside, we have all the products. Reaching in first, I have a little tube, definitely gonna need glasses, and it is the Goldfaden MD Solution Wake Up Call Overnight Regenerative Facial Treatment. And that is what that looks like. It is definitely a sample size. It is 0.4 fluid ounces, 12 ml, and the paperwork says, beauty sleep is real, people. At night, your skin enters repair mode, and this treatment gives it a boost so you can wake up glowing. It contains retinol to smooth lines, coenzyme Q10 to fight free radicals, and avocado and grapeseed oils to deeply hydrate your skin while you sleep. If it were full-sized, it would be 50 ml and have an $85 value. Well, I won't open this because then I can't pass it along, and it has retinol in it, so it's not something that I will use. It is 12 ml, so it's just a skosh less than a quarter. So this little tube has about a $20 to $21 value. I mean, it is full, I will give it that, but wow. Okay, reaching in next, I have a Nomad Sydney Bathers Balmoral Beach. And that's what that looks like. And this is a Kiss of Sun highlighter. I always say I don't use single eyeshadows, so when I thought that's what this was, I wasn't sure about it, but I will use, if it's good, a small highlighter because this is perfect to travel with. When we open it up, that's what it looks like on the inside. So it's kind of a cross between a blinding white and a champagne, kind of right there in the middle. I will definitely try this because, oh, it's very smooth because it is a color I would use. Oh, it's kind of gold on the hand. Just shiny, not glittery, which is also what I like. I hope that's coming across. Yeah, I will definitely use that, actually. And I know I say I don't use single eyeshadows. This would be really pretty just in the corner of your eyes, I'm just saying. The paperwork says, this highlighter from the Nomad X Sydney Bathers Kiss of Sun palette is made with finely milled pigments for maximum blendability and is infused with native to Australia macadamia oil to soften and moisturize your skin. The full size of this would be 5.7 grams and have a $27 value. This is 3 grams. So this is a little more than half. So even though this is just a little highlighter, it has about a $15 value. Reaching in next, I have a Glow on Fifth Beauty Smooth as Silk Hand and Body Scrub. And that is what that looks like. It's in plastic. Let me take it out of that in case that makes it hard to see. Well, just for the record, I just realized when I was taking off that overlay, I don't know that I can ever get you guys to see this, but see there's words on it? Yeah, those are the ingredients. So I was like, stop. And I can't see all of the ingredients, but what I can see, front and center, is licorice root. So I'm also not going to open this any further. I wish I had read that and had left the overlay on it, but I'm not going to open this so that in case this isn't sealed, I can still pass it along. This says, flaky skin who? Not only does this multitasking body scrub buff away rough patches, it uses green tea extract and shea butter to deeply moisturize, leaving your below the chin skin feeling soft and silky to the touch. Reaching in next, we have, what is this? Crystal Fusion Liquid Eyeshadow from Koki. I like the way it looks. I always say, with shadow sticks that are, you know, creams, and with these, I'm just not great with them. I'm trying to get better. I used to always try and just do it with my fingers, and then so many people said to me, you know what, try using a brush. Try blending it out with an actual brush, and it does help. I'm just still not really great at it, but let's put a little bit on the back of my hand and see how I do. So when I first put it on, before I blend it out, that is what it looks like. So let's blend it out. Oh, it smooths out very nicely. So I smooth it out and it's right there in the middle. So I will leave that and we will see how it sets and dries. But if I were going to do just one color, that's kind of what I would choose, because actually this doesn't have much color at all. It's almost like an eyeshadow topper. You could almost put it over something. The Kokie Cosmetics Crystal Fusion Liquid Eyeshadow in Polaris. This gorgeous rose gold shadow is infused with fluorescent pink flecks to give your lids a warm glow. Even though it's liquid, the shadow won't slide or crease. A few seconds after you apply it, the formula dries down to a long-wearing, high-shine cream. And it has a $6 value. Well, it's been more than a few seconds. So yeah, it's dry. It is absolutely dry. And I am rubbing it with my left finger. Once I put a little bit of pressure on it, it lifted a little bit of the glitters. I like it. And I want to try it because I would like to get so much better at those. I wish I could make myself feel okay with just putting, you know, a wash of color. All right, and last but not least, I have my choice, and it was from Pixi by Petra. I like the Pixi products. I know, they're products that are considered drugstore products, you know, products that you can get at Target or somewhere like that. Let me know below what you think about Pixi. I like it, but I know that there are people that don't. And this is in Natural Rose. And I think it's just a balm. Shea Butter Lip Balm. So it's just a balm, but I think it's gonna be pretty. That is the color there. Let's put a little bit on my hand. So I went back and forth a couple of times to build up color. So you can make it kind of sheer, or here, let me show you. That's just one, and then you can build it up. And the paperwork says, the delicate skin of your lips needs love all year round, even when the weather is getting warmer and more humid. Thanks to this lightweight tinted balm, you can pack on the moisture without feeling sticky or greasy, and it has an $8 value. So that is my Ipsy original bag for April 2020. And this month we got this nice bag. It doesn't look real springy to me, but this month's season, the card says Force of Nature, so I guess it's kind of deserty. But I do like that it's canvas. There's something I like about the canvas feel that makes me think I would chuck stuff into it to, you know, slip into a beach bag or something like that. Then I have the Pixi by Petra Lip, which is what I chose, the Kokie Liquid Eyeshadow, the Glow on Fifth Hand and Body Scrub, the Nomad Highlighter, and the Goldfaden Wake Up Call Overnight Regenerative Moisturizer. Let me know below what you think. Did you get your bag? Did you like your bag? Do you like the choices that you were given? I don't remember what my choices were, but picking a lip balm sounds a whole lot like me. All right, guys, thank you so much for coming by. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out, and I will see you really soon.